Two variables x and y are connected by the relationship y equals ab to the x, where a and b are constants. Transform the relationship y equals ab to the x into straight line form. Now, if we look down just slightly further, we can see that we have ln y here, which tells us to take natural logs. So we're going to have ln y is ln ab to the x. So ln y is going to be ln a plus ln b to the x, and then ln y is ln a plus x ln b. Now this tells us any graph plotted should be of ln y against x, and we can see that that's the case in the next part. So these values are x and ln y values, like so. So if we want to find a and b, we can do that using ln y is ln a plus x ln b. Let's write that down again here so I can scroll up. So I'm going to get 3.37 is equal to ln a plus 3 ln b, and then I'm going to get 5.72 is ln a plus 7 ln b. That's 1 and that's 2. So I'm going to do equation 2, take away equation 1. So I need 5.72, take away 3.37, 33. And that gives me 2.35, and it's for ln b. So we've got 5.72 take away 3.37, so 5.72 take away 3.37, that gives us 2.35. The ln a's disappear, and we've got 4 ln b. So divide that last answer by 4, and we get ln b is equal to 0.5875. So b will actually be e to the 0.5875. That is going to be, so we'll do e to the last answer, and let's call that 1.8. Okay, so we'll substitute back into 1, but note this is ln b here, so we need to use this value. So 3.37 is equal to ln a plus 3 times 0.5875. So what does that give us? Ln a is 3.37, take away 3 times 0.5875. Let's check that was the right value. Yes, it is. So that's going to be 1.6075. Which looks about right on the graph, doesn't it? And so a would be e to that last answer, and we'll call that 5. So we've got all these values, and that will help us do the next bit. Find x and y is 220. Now we're best off going from the ln y. So we know ln a is 1.6075. And then we have x ln b, and ln b is 0.5875. And that's when y is 220. So x is going to be ln 220, take away 1.6075 divided by 0.5875, and let's calculate that. So I've got ln 220, take away 1.6075 over 0.5875, and that's going to give me 6.44.